Florida is fighting back against a controversial program for migrants who are in danger and seeking asylum here. It allows migrants from 4 countries to enter the U.S. on humanitarian grounds. Newly uncovered documents show a huge number of migrants entering the U.S. through what's being called a humanitarian parole program. Now, it has nothing to do with prisons, despite the word parole. The program allows people to fly into the country before they typically would be able to under current immigration laws.
And more than 50 airports saw flights from this program, including right here in Southwest Florida. Wink News anchor Emma Heaton joins us live now from the airport. And Emma, why does the governor think that this is illegal?
Nicole, in a recent press conference, Governor Ron DeSantis said he believes President Joe Biden is breaking the law by allowing people to come in to our state, people that don't have a right to be here. Now, he also added that the state is not informed when people are brought in, and that makes it difficult to keep track of how many migrants there are and where they're going. That includes migrants who were brought in right here to Fort Myers.
These documents, revealed by the House Committee on Homeland Security, shows an influx of migrants entered the U.S. through a parole program.
There is some vetting, but the idea is to allow humanitarian aid on a case-by-case basis.
Political expert Aubrey Jewett said the parole program was designed to help people escape countries that are undergoing turmoil and violence, particularly if their lives are in danger. The documents show over 200,000 Venezuelans, Cubans, Haitians, and Nicaraguans used more than 50 airport locations, including Washington, D.C., Miami, and even here in Fort Myers, to enter the country between January and August of 2023. That gets Republicans' blood boiling.
There's particularly Republicans in the House really feel like the Biden administration has stretched this law to the breaking point, that in fact they're breaking the law, right? That they're not using parole as it was originally designed.
Republicans argue the Biden administration is allowing too many migrants into the country. The Biden administration said the program would allow up to 30,000 people per month into the U.S. Those migrants would get work permits and a 2-year period to live in the U.S. legally. Florida is currently suing President Biden to shut it down, calling it unlawful and an abuse of constitutional authority. Meantime, Department of Homeland Security Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas defends the program, stating that it has contributed to a reduction in migration numbers and has been conducted safely and orderly.
Does this program align with current immigration policies?
It's a touchy question because, legally right now that question's being asked in court.
And Jewett said in the coming days we can expect more politics, more court cases, and more politicians talking about this on either side. And just like here in Florida, other states have also sued to block the program. A federal judge recently struck down one of those lawsuits. Governor Ron DeSantis' office told me they believe they will prevail. Now, I didn't get a number on how many migrants flew in here to RSW, but in Miami, 91,000. Over 91,000 were processed. Live at RSW, Emma Heaton, Wink News.
All right, thank you very much, Emma.